different places, different people, still the same. Smiling faces, empty spaces. In a world so full of people, why do I feel alone inside? So many voices, so much noise. Still I'm searching for a sign. I'm standing in the mirror, breaking, trying hard to be enough. If this is what they call perfection, why does it hurt this much? The standard is so high. Beauty is just within, but the world never sees that. Alone in the world, I'm still here, trying to be seen, trying to be clear. Alone in the world, I'm still here, trying to be seen, trying to be clear.